Hi guys, today we're going to be looking at some of the set of word classes under the open system item. So in the previous exposition, we worked on the open system items and the closed system items. So today we're going to be discussing the very first word class under the open system item, which is noun. So what's a noun? When we talk about a noun, what's a noun? A noun is a part of the open system item which is derived from a Latin word known as nomen, which means a name. So the word noun itself is a Latin originated word known as nomen that means a name. So whatever has a name is a noun. It could be a place, person, event, action, feeling, and so on and so forth. So when we talk about a noun, we're talking about anything that has a name, whatever has a name at all, except that very stuff or that very thing does not have a name. But whatever has a name, as far as that very thing has a name, it has been christened. It means we are talking about a noun. Now, don't forget, it could be a place, it could be a person, it could be an event, it could be an action, it could be a feeling, it could be anything. But as far as such a thing as a name, it means you're talking about a noun. Now, a noun is divided into two major parts, which are the first part. The first part of a noun, the first major part of a noun is what we call the proper noun, and the second part of it is what we call the common noun. Now, we're going to be working on this very first two in our next exposition. So, after that, now there are other types of nouns apart from these very proper noun and common noun. Now, look at this. Now, there are other types of nouns which are mainly classified under either the above nouns. Now, there are other kinds of nouns that are classified or that are broken under either word, the proper noun or the common noun. Now, look at them here. The first one we have is what we call the abstract noun. The next is what we call the concrete noun. The next is what we call the collective noun. After that, we have the count noun. After that, we have the non-count noun. And after the non-count noun, we have what we call the compound noun. And the very last one is what we call the material noun. So we're going to be working on all the set of nouns in our next set of expositions. But in the very next exposition, after the very exposition or lesson, we're going to be talking about what we call the proper noun and the common noun. So I would love you to learn all these types of nouns because after this very lesson, the next you're just going to be diving directly into each of these types of nouns. So at this very point in time, we'll be drawing the curtain on today's exposition. So if you have found this very exposition resourceful, please subscribe to this very channel and share this exposition. Thanks. See you in the next exposition.